are the all new AirPods. The unboxing experience of all Apple products is always known to be very satisfying, and I don't think that this product is any less. I believe that Apple products are like a complete package, from the unboxing experience to the whole user experience you get. But do they seem like the latest Apple AirPods? If this was 2016, I would have done this. But it's 2020, and I guess we should switch it up. So this is what our video for today is really about. The all new AirPods Pro. They were launched in 2019 October, and we've got our hands on this now. Apple has always tried to make their unboxing experiences even better than last time. So this time we do not have any seals to cut or any packaging to cut. We just have this pull tab. So now let's start with the unboxing. So this is the AirPods Pro box. On the top you have a AirPods Pro branding. On the front you have a product image. On the left and the right sides you have the Apple logo. Behind you have some specifications and you have the whole product image. So now let's see what all things we get inside the box. So the first thing we get, designed by Apple in California. We have all the paper guides here about AirPods Pro, how to connect it, the user manuals, etc. Let's keep this aside. So these are the AirPods Pro, but let's keep them aside for a while and see what we get inside the box. So again you have a pull tab here. When you use it to lift it up, you get extra ear tips, and I'll tell you why they are special and how you can choose the best ear tips for you. Let's keep them aside for a while, and you get the Lightning to USB-C cable inside the box. So if you have a 11 Pro Max, which is the latest iPhone model, you'll know that you get a fast charger, that is a USB-C to Lightning charger, and the cable in this is also the same. Now let's keep this aside and now focus on the main product. So this, I believe, is the most satisfying part of the unboxing experience. And this is the all new AirPods Pro. So here we have the iPhone, and just as soon as I bring the product near the phone, it recognizes it. And this is the best thing about the Apple ecosystem. Whenever you try to connect Apple products with Apple products, or you try to use them, the experience you get, it's amazing. So it's telling us to unlock to connect. So we do that, and it showcases this. When we press connect, we don't have to do anything. It will automatically pair it to this, and it will show us all the things that we have to learn before using this. Now the best thing is, when you try to connect AirPods to your phone, it automatically gets synced to your iCloud. So whenever you have multiple Apple products, you can just switch it to them, and you wouldn't have to repeat the whole pairing process again, even with Bluetooth things. Now it has a lot of features. So before seeing all the features, let's first talk about the internals. So this has the new Apple H1 chip. So why is it special? The H1 chip does everything from processing your sound to activating Siri and all the Siri functionalities. It has 10 audio cores, 10 cores just for audio. that reduce the sound latency. You also have features like announcing messages with Siri, and you have all your battery percentages here. So right now, as you can see, both my AirPods are charging. The left side is at 33% and the right is at 81%, and it also shows me the case charging percentage. When I close it, the menu would automatically go down. When I open it, the automatic display will come up. And when I remove one earpiece, the charging sign will go off from that side. So for example, I remove the right ear tip, the charging sign will go off. When I remove the left ear tip, it would show this menu. It will not show the case charging anymore, and it will just show what my left and right earpieces percentages are for the battery. So this case is a wireless charging case. So if you have a wireless charger, you just need to place it on it and it will start charging, just like the iPhones, the new iPhones. And the older AirPods had a LED indicator inside the case, but the new one has just in front of it. So the amber light, the orangish light which showed, it showcases charging, and this here is a button. So this is the small button. If you want to pair it with any device that is not on your iCloud account or your Apple ID, or you want to pair it with an Android device, you can just press that button till a white light flashes here, and then you can just pair it like you pair the normal Bluetooth earphones. Now let's come back on this. So these are extra ear tips, and this is something very ordinary that we get with all earphones, no matter what, Bluetooth or wired. But the ear tips that Apple has used are not the regular rubber or silicone ear tips you get in your earphones. So this is a special compound that they have used, and why this is special is because it not only helps in the noise cancellation, active noise cancellation, but it is also very soft, smooth and comfortable. So even in the longer use, you won't feel very uncomfortable with it. And Apple has done something spectacular to assure that you get the best noise cancelling experience. So when you pair the AirPods, inside the Bluetooth settings, you get an option to test the ear tip fit. That is this. So they have focused upon the smallest of the details, like the ear tips, to the biggest of the details when you buy an earphones, that is the sound quality. So when you click on the ear tips test and you start the test, what it does is it calculates according to the ambient noise, the noise getting through, and if there is any leakage in the noise, to check you get the best noise cancelling experience, and the tips are the best for you. So you get a small tip and a large tip as extra, and the medium are already installed in it. Now let's see how the ear tips test look, and does the medium fit me or I'll have to change them. So I'll first start with connecting the AirPods. As you can see, I got the pop-up. I'll remove the earpieces, put it in here, and I'll try and connect it. So the initial reaction is I already feel pretty isolated, like the ear tips, like the whole earpiece fits very nicely inside my ears. I feel pretty isolated. And now let's see how the settings are. So here you get the AirPods Pro, and you have three modes in it. That is the noise cancellation, the off mode, which is the normal mode, and the transparency mode. So what transparency mode does is it makes you feel like you're not wearing any earphones and you can hear every voice that is outside. So when I turn the noise cancellation on, I won't be able to hear anything outside. So you can set what the left ear tips does, you can set what the right earpiece does, and here is the ear tip fit test. Let's click on it. It will show us this. So why this is important is for the audio quality. And so these are the old AirPods. This is how they looked. and these are the new AirPods. As you can see, the design difference is drastic, but there are some similarities, like it had sensors here, it also has them. So how this work is, so it has a lot of microphones and sensors all around. So here, here, and all these sensors detect sound and they produce frequencies to cancel those sounds, and that is called anti-noise, and that is how the noise cancellation, the active noise cancellation works. In the old AirPods, you had a feature of tapping here on the stem, right here. When you double tap, you could activate certain functions, like maybe activate Siri or change the track or play and pause the music, etc. In the new AirPods Pro, you don't have a double tap feature, but you have this stem. So like if you can see, there's a dent in the stem. This is the force pad. So it works similarly like force tap, and it detects the force, you put. So all you have to do is press it like this. It's not a clickable button, but you get a haptic feedback when you have the AirPods Pro in your ears. When you press and hold this, you can set certain functions like activating Siri or the noise control. By noise control, it means is you can change the noise setting, that is from noise cancellation to transparency or vice versa. If you double tap on it, you can receive calls or you can change the tracks. If you triple click on it, you can go to the previous track, and if you double click on it while you're on a call, you can cancel the call or cut the call. This was all about the AirPods Pro, and if you want a detailed review about it, leave a comment down below. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video as much as you can. We have one special unboxing, one bonus unboxing at the end for you guys, and hope you like that also. So if you have something like the AirPods Pro, I guess you'll always want to protect it and keep it all clean, and that is why we have got the special unboxing, that is the case for AirPods Pro. It's not a very expensive case. You'll get it for something like 400 to 500 rupees on Amazon. It's a clear case, and let's start with the unboxing for this also. So the unboxing, I know it's not as satisfactory as Apple, but the case quality, it seems to be pretty nice. So it's like a semi-hard case, it's pretty flexible, and it's a two-piece case. So that is the top part and that is the bottom part. You get this to press the back button, you get this to see your LED light. This is a cutout to access the charging port. Now let's put our AirPods Pro in this and see how it looks. So it slides pretty easily and it's a pretty snug fit. Now let's put on the top part. So the cutout here, it's for the hinge, it will go at the back, and this is how it looks. It's a pretty neat case. You can see the AirPods color also. So this is the cutout which is for the hinge so that you can easily open it, and it's a pretty neat case. It's a very good quality case, and for the price you pay, I don't think it is like you would want anything more out of it. And one special thing, you have raised edges, so if it falls, it has drop protection also, and it opens pretty nicely, closes pretty nicely. You can see the light pretty good, and all the cutouts and the buttons are very accessible. So I would really recommend this case if you buy the AirPods Pro. I'll leave the links for both the AirPods Pro as well as this case in the description box below. I hope you like this video. Let's meet in the next one.